Hello Twin Cities, Minneapolis, St. Paul. My name is Dmitry Lipinski, founder and CEO of Stormbird Roofing. And we're so tired of all the snow we've been getting, but finally roofing season is here and we're ready to serve you with all your roofing needs. We do all kind of roof repairs, roof replacements, houses like this, not a problem. Whether you have 100-year-old house in a historic district in St. Paul or maybe somewhere in suburbs, brand new construction but got hail damage, there's no roofs we're not gonna do for you. So if you have any roofing needs, please give us a call. We offer free estimates. We have amazing finance options. If cash is tight, we have really cool promotions right now early on in the season. Almost no backlog, most jobs getting done within 2-3 weeks. Give us a call. Hope to hear from you soon. 612-558-4881.